Why did our country not change? These two pieces of equipment imported from the United States for 40 years? Is it really the helplessness of the technical blockade behind it? In fact, it is not because these two things are too fragrant. The first one is the Black Hawk helicopter. In 1984, our country gritted its teeth and took out $150 million to buy 24. This price was comparable to exchanging gold bars. For planes at that time, you can only know the real paper when you use it. Before the introduction of Black Hawk in China, our Army's main force was Plants and French Super Wasp helicopters. But their plateau performance was limited. The average altitude in Xizang is more than 4 kilometers, and the helicopter must be able to fly stably at an altitude above 5 kilometers. The Black Hawk was the only aircraft in China that could do this at that time. It not only flew high but also had a low failure rate, easy maintenance, and strong carrying capacity. It quickly became a vital border post for plateau transportation. Before the heavy snow closed the mountains, it was relied on him to transport supplies, and where cars could not reach, it was relayed by him. The housing conditions of infantry have been greatly improved. Even during the Wenchuan earthquake in 2008, these Black Hawks were still on the front line. Today, despite the large-scale deployment of domestic products to 20, some Black Hawks are still in service, which can be called a generation of magic machines. Look at the second one, the LM-2500 gas turbine. This is the family treasure of General Dynamics in the United States, which is fully promoted from the destroyer USS aircraft carrier. In the 1980s, we just imported it and installed it on the destroyer USS Harbin. 2 LM-2500 and 1 Yang.